Hey, Brian Purdy here. So in this week's earlier video, I talked about the importance of the squeeze. And if you missed that video, please go back and watch it. But basically the concept is at the end of your rep of whatever exercise you're doing, you're gonna hold, squeeze the crap out of the bar, the handle, whatever you're holding, and then release and slowly return to the start position. What that does is it lights up the muscle fibers because, let me tell you, we can get so ingrained in just going through the motions. I've been guilty of it myself where I go in the gym and my sole focus is just to get in there and get out and say that I did my 8 exercises, my however many reps, and I lifted however much weight. And so many of us do that. We snap the selfie and we get out of there. And again, I've been guilty of this myself sometimes. But what I want you to really focus on is slowing the crap down because let's face it, our egos can get in the way of our true muscle gains because we're so worried about what we look like to other people. We're so worried about what that person or that person is going to think when we walk in the gym or how our Instagram post is going to look. And often we fake what we're doing because we worry more about our self-image than what we're doing to our body. And what I want to encourage you to do is stop doing that. First off, you're in the gym to improve yourself. You're not in there to benefit anybody else in there. You're in there to benefit yourself, to build your self-confidence, to build your physique, to build your strength. You're in there for you. And so often we can lose sight of that. It's easy to do. It's easy to get caught up in the ego game. And if that's you, I'm not saying like, hey, stop. I'm saying stop doing that, but it's okay because I've been there. And it's not a game you want to play because A, it'll lead to injury. It will, because when your ego gets in the way and you just start lifting to look cool, trust me, you're going to do something stupid eventually for that selfie video, and it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. It's going to hurt you, and it's not going to be fun. So check the ego at the door. Start slowing down. Make that mind-muscle connection. And what I mean by that mind-muscle connection is really focus on each and every exercise. If you're doing a tricep overhead press, you've got the weight behind you. Let me grab you've got the weight behind you. It's easy just to rep it out, right? I'm doing my tricep overheads. Well, that's wrong. I want to focus on every single rep. When I say I'm making that mind-muscle connection, I'm literally, with my mind, thinking about the tricep muscle. I'm thinking about how it feels. I'm thinking about what I'm doing to build that muscle. And what it's doing is it's causing me to focus on that individual rep more. I'm not anymore focused on just getting through a set. I'm focused on that rep, on how I feel in that moment. And I'm telling you, it's going to make a huge difference. So try this. All right, if you've liked this video, please like or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see my upcoming videos. All right, I am out. Have a great day.